students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Dear students, today I am going to tell you about LCM, least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Okay students, now let's start there. There is, students, this LCM, lowest least common multiple, is obtained by three methods here. There are three methods and you have done already in the previous class least common multiple and HCF, highest common factor, you have done. But in these in the previous class you have done the prime factorization and the multiples. But there is one another new method for you, that from that we also solve the LCM here. So students, let's see there. There is the LCM. But first, the first method is by listing the multiples. By listing the multiples here. So students, let's see there. By listing multiples, there is the worksheet 6, question number 1 and part A is there. First, we will solve by listing multiples. Is it clear, students? We have done already this method in the previous class, so it's not the new method here. There is the number here 12 and 9. Two numbers are there. There is 12 and there is 9. We have to find here the multiples first. Find the multiple of 12 here first. Multiple of 12 is, first write down the multiples of 12 here. 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, like this. Is this clear, students? Now we write down here the multiples of 9. 9 2 is 18, and do like this. Okay students, now we find the find the multiples here. These are the multiples of these two numbers. Now we will list after multiples we have to find here the common numbers. Which are the commons here? 9, no. 18, no. 26, no common. 36 is the common here. This is common. 45, no. 54, no. This is common here. One more number is common here. So students, what are the common multiples? There are the common multiples, and that are, first number is multiple here 36 and the next number is 72 and so on. These numbers are common here. Now we have to find the LCM, that is least common multiple. In common multiple, these are the common multiples in which we have the least number, that is 36. This is the least common multiple, that is 36 here. Is this clear, students? Now this is the question number A, and by listing the multiples. Two questions are more there that you have done yourself. Okay students, now I will do here the question number 2, part A, that is LCM by prime factorization. You have already done this method in the previous class, so I will not do all the questions of all the parts of this question. You will do yourself. I will do one question here. That is, there are the numbers 10, 15 and 6. Three numbers are there. First we have to find the, not the multiples here, prime factorization. Prime factorization of 10, prime factorization of 15, prime factorization of 6. We have to find all the prime factorization of these numbers. This is 2 5 10. First list prime number which divides it 10, that is 2 here. And there is a quotient 2 5 10. This is the quotient here. After dividing 10 by 2, 2 5 10. We write this quotient here. Quotient of every number is written here. So students, let's see there. Now it will be divided by only 5. 5 1 ja 5. So 10 is equals to 2 into 5. These are the prime factorization. Now we will see there that the 15 here. 15 2 divided? No. Then 3. Yes. 3 divided exactly. 3 5 ja 15. Now we will divide it by only 5 number. 5 1 ja 5. This will complete there. So 15 is equals to the prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5 here. Now we will do here. This is divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3 here. Is this clear, students? If you can't understand these, then reverse this video and listen again. Again 2 times 3 times as you can't understand these questions here. And these are the previous class questions, so I will not do here. So many questions are there. I will do here only one question, and remaining parts you will do yourself. Okay, students. Now there is a number 6 whose prime factorization is 2 into 3. So students, we will have to make here the LCM. First, these are the prime factors of all the numbers. First, we have the lowest prime factor, that is 2. And 2 have maximum. How maximum number of times 2 is there? 1 time. This is also 1 times and this is also 1 times. It means maximum power of 2 is here 2. Maximum number of times 2 occurs there. Maximum number of times 2 occurs. How many times? Only 1 time. In this 10, only 1 time occurs. In this 6, in the 6, only 1 time occurs. It means 1 time occur only 2. Then 2 is here only 1 time. Is this clear? Maximum number of times the number occurs here. Now 5. Now next number is prime factor is 3. 3 how many times occurs? Only 1 times is there in this and only 1 times is in this. It means this is the 3 here. And now we have to find here 5. 5 how many times it occurs? This is also 1 times in this and this is also 1 time in this. Yes, it means it is also 1 time in this number. Is this clear? Then their LCM is 2 3 ja 6 5 ja 30. This is the LCM of these 3 numbers. You can find the LCM by this method, This is the multiples method, listing by multiples, and this is the multiple prime factorization method. Both are some for higher values. It's some typical type method. But if there are small numbers, then you can easily solve these questions. Okay, students. Now we will go to the third part. Let's see there. Now students, this is the question number 3. In the question number 3, LCM by division method, common division method, we have to solve all these questions from this method. Let's see there. There is the question first, part A. In this part A, there are the numbers 12, 15, 45. Students, you know as well, common division method. It means a common number which divides 3 numbers. Is this clear? Now we will solve it as 12, 15 and 45. There are three numbers and we have to divide these 3 numbers by a common prime number. There is a common prime number which divides 3 numbers. Common. At least 2 numbers? Yes, 3. That is 3 4 ja 12. First we will divide it by 2. One number is divided here. 2 6 ja 12, 15 and 45 as well. Now next number is again 2. 2 3 ja 6, 15, 45. This number is divided by 2. Another number is same as well. Another numbers are same as well. It is only divided, so we will divide it only by this number. 2. Now from 2, no number is divided by 2. So there is 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. There are the quotients here. and now we will divide it by 5. No number divided by, sorry, one number is divided by 3. 5 is as well because it is not divided by 3. 3 5 is 15. And now it will be divided by 5. 5 and 5, 5 and 5. All one become 5 here. Now these are the prime factorization of 2, 15 and 45 which are common together. So its LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. These are the maximum number of prime factors which occurs in this prime factorization. You will solve, if you solve this question by prime factorization method, you will see these are the factors of this. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 63 is 180. This will become the LCM of this question. Is this clear, student? Now we will go to the B part. There is a part B here, that is 24, 90 and 48. First tell me which number divides these. Yes, 2. 2 will divide. 2 under 2, 2 to the 4. 2 4 is 8, less than 9. 2 4 is 8 and 1 is remainder here and this is 10 here. 2 5 is 10. Is this clear? 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Now again it will be divided by 2. 2 6 is 12. This is not divided by 2 because last digit is 5. And for dividing by, I have already done the divisibility rules. If last place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means it is divisible by 2. But there is no 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means not divisible by 2. So, it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So, 2 3 is 6, 45 is as well because it is not divided by 2. 2 6 is 12. Now again it divided by 3, divided by 2, that is 45. 2 3 is 6. Both are as well. Now it is divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3. Now again it will be divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3. Now again it will be divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is. There are the 1 1 1 1 1 at every place. So its LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What will be? 5 and 2 makes a 10. 5 to the 10 and 2 to the 4, 4 to the, this will become as 10. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72 and this is 720. If you multiply all the numbers, then the LCM becomes the 720 number. Is this clear, students? This is 720. Is this clear? Now we will go to the next parts. Now students, there are the two questions more of common division method. Common division, one number which divides any one number, that is 2 here. 2 everyone divides. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2 and 1 remainder 16. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Now it will again divided by 2. 15 is not divided by 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 9 is 18. 2 4 is 8. Now again it will be divided by 2. 15 is as well. 2 3 is 6. 9 is as it is. 2 2 is 4. Now again it will be divided by 2. 15 as well. It is not divided by 2. This is not divided by 2. 9 is not divided by 2. But 2 1 is 2. Now again it will be divided by 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9 and 1. Now again divided by 3. 3 5 as well. 1 and 3 1 is 3 and 1. Now it will be divided by 5. 5 1 is 5. 1 1 1. Is this clear, students? Now LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. 30 is this. They make the 30. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 and 24 into 30, 720. All are multiplying together, it will get the 720 as LCM here. Okay students, now we will do the next question. It will divided by 2. No. It will divided by 3. No number is divided by 3. Let's check there. 35 divided by 3. No. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is not divided by 3. It means this number is not divided by 3. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 divided by 3. No. 3 plus 1, 4. Now 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 3. No. It means this number also not divided by 3. Divided by 4. No. Divided by 5. No. Divided by, yes, this is divided by 5. 5 7 ja 35 and these are not divided by 5. Now it will be divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. It will be divided by again 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7 and that is the 30. List prime number we have divided and then the greater prime numbers. Now it will be divided by 13. It's the greater than the 7. 1, 1 and 1. So LCM, what will be the LCM? 5, 7, 7, 13. 5 into 7 into 7 into 13. What will we get here? There is, so students, it will multiply, then it will get the 3185. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next two more questions of this part. Let's see there. Now students, there are two more questions here. Now it will be divided by 2. The list prime number, that is 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Now it will be again divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18. Now it will be divided again by 2. 3 is as well because it is not divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, that is 9 here. Now it will again divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 3 and 9. It will divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now again it will be divided by 3 1 ja 3. So students, you are seeing here what will we get the LCM here. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and it will get 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 to 48 and 48 3 to 44. 144 is the LCM here. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next part, that is this. Now we have the list prime number that divides all the numbers of one or more than the numbers. There is the number 2, list prime number which divides these numbers. 2 to the 4 0, 2 to the 4, 2 4 ja 8, 4 5. Now it will again divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So this is 45. Now it was again divided by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. 45 is as well because it is not divided by 2. Now this is divided by 2. Yes, 5. 2 3 ja 6, 45 as well. Now it is divided by 3. 3 5 ja 3, 5 is as well. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now it will again divided by 3. 5 1, 3 5 ja 15. Now it will be divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So students, these are the 1 1 1 1 here. So LCM of these numbers are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5 3 ja 15, 2 ja 15 2 ja 30 and 2 8, 8 3 ja 24 and 24 3 ja 7 20. This will be the LCM here. Is this clear students? we will do these common division method questions as like this, and remaining questions you will do yourself. Okay students, now we will go to the next question. Let's see there. Now students, there is a question number 4. In the question number 4, there is asking that in the question, find the list number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves remainder 5 in each case. Students, you are given here that there are the three numbers 40, 50 and 60. If you divide that number by 40, 50 and 60, it will give the remainder 5 in each case. So students, first tell me the list number. We can find the list number that must be exactly divided by these numbers. Yes, if you add that remainder in each one in that LCM, then that number divides by 40, 50 and 60, it will give the remainder 5 in each case. Yes, I will repeat it again, that we have to find the list number that must be divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. For this, we know that if we have to find here the list number and the remainder is there, but the list number we will find here by the LCM. We know as well, list common multiple, list number they divided by any of the numbers. We can find here the LCM. But if in the LCM we will divide here the remainder in each one, in the LCM each one divides this number by 40, 50, 60, it will gives the 5 in each case the remainder. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the question and let's try to solve. List number we have to find here, and when divided by, we have to list number, find the list number, and this list number divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves remainder 5 in each case. Leaves remainder 5 in each case. Let's see there. First we will take the LCM of these two numbers 40, 50 and 60. Find LCM of these three numbers. First it will be divided by 2 here. 2. Now students, it will be divided by 2. 2 to the 4, 0. 2 to the 4, 1 is remainder, 2 5 are 10. 2 3 are 6, 0. And now it will be divided by 2, 2 10 are 20, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are, sorry, it is not divided by 2, so it will taken as well. 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. And this is also divided by 2, 2 5 are 10, 25 and 15 as well. And now it will not divided by 2, now it will be divided by 3, 5, 25, 3 5 are 15. Now it will be divided by 5, 5 5 are 20, 5 1 are 5. It will again divided by 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. Now the LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. This will be get as the LCM of these numbers. And we will get 5 3 are 15, 15 2 are 30, 15 to the 30. It will become as 30, and this is 5 2 are 10, 3 and 30 into 10, 300, 300 2 are 600. It will get the LCM here 600. But now students, there is asking that these three numbers divide this number, exactly divides. 0 is remainder there. But if we add 5 in each case, it means remainder is 5 in each case. It means we have to add 5 in this number. 605, there is the required number. Required number is equals to 600 plus 5, that must be equals to 605. Now we will check here that it is divided by these numbers, then this remainder is 5 in each case. Let's see there, 605 divided by 40. 605 divided by 50. 605 divided by 60. Is this clear, students? Now we will divide 40 1 ja 40. It will get here 20 and 5. This is 5 4 ja 20 0. 200. There must be the 5 as remainder. It will get here 5 and 50 1 ja 50, and we will get here the 10 5 52 ja 100, and 5 is there. There is also the remainder 5. And now 61 ja 60, and we will get here the 5 not divided by, so it will take here the 0, and this is also the remainder as 5. Students, you are seeing here that if we divide 605 by 40, 50 and 60, in each case we are seeing here that the remainder is 5. It means if we have to find the least number which when multiplied by any of the numbers, it leaves the remainder in each case, or it leaves the remainder in other cases, and there is the remainder this, there is the remainder this, there is the remainder this, any other remainder is there. We will find the LCM first, and then we will add the number here. Is it clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. Let's see there. Now students, you are seeing here the next question, that is question number 5. In the question number 5, there is asking that 3 Haryana Roadways buses stops after 50 km, 100 km and 125 km respectively. First bus stops at 50 km, second bus stops at 100 km, third bus stops at 125 km, and respectively, if they live together, they start on one time, then after how many kilometers will they stop together? After how many kilometers will they stop together? It means we have to find the LCM here, because if one bus stops at 50, one bus stops at 50 km. Now again, next time it will stops at 100 km. Now next time it will stops at 150 km, and doing like this. And same, second bus stops at 100 km one time, and next time it will stops at 200 km. Next time it will stops at 300 km, and doing like this. Okay, students, it means these are the multiples of 100 here, these are the multiples of 50 here, and these are the multiples of 125 here. It means we have to find here the LCM. They stops together. When will they stop together? It means they will stop together when there we will find here the least common multiple. It means if we find here that there is the number which is common in all these numbers at that kilometer they stops together. Is this clear, students? Yes. Now let's see there. We have to find here the LCM of these three numbers: 50, 100, 125. Find out the LCM here. First it will be divided by 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 0. 125 is not divided by 2, so it is written as well. Now it is divided by 2 again. Yes, 25 is not. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. It is divided by 2. Now it is not divided by 2, so it is right as well. Now it is divided by 5, not divided by 3 any number. So now it will be divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25. Now it will again divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. Now it will again divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, and it must get 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 10 10 ja 100, and that it will get here the 500 number. So students, you are seeing here that there is a least common multiple is 500. So it's the 500 where the bus stops at this kilometer. All 3 buses stops together at 500 kilometer. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. Now students, there is the question number 6. In the question number 6, there is given here that there are the 4 bells. 4 bells toll together, toll at 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. It means first bell tolls at 8 minutes and second bell tolls at 9 minutes and third bell tolls at 12 minutes and fourth bell tolls at 15 minutes. It means there are the 4 bells and they tolls at different timings here. Is this clear? Now we have given here that first time they toll together at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. They toll together at 3 p.m. All the bells together toll at 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. the first bell tolls at 3:08 p.m. and second bell tolls at 3:09 p.m. and third bell tolls at 3:12 p.m. and fourth bell tolls at 3:15 p.m. After 15 minutes, yes, it means there is when will they toll together next time, and next time when will they toll together. What's the time that they toll together all the 4 balls? Is this clear, students? I hope so you have understood this question. Now we will solve this question. First, we have to find here the list number that should be divided by all the numbers. So that is the LCM here. That is LCM of 8, 9, 12 and 15. It will get here 8, 9, 12 and 15. 2 4 are 8. 9 is as well. 9 is not divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 15 is not divided by 2. So it will written as well. 2 2 are 4. 9 2 3 are 6. 15. Now again divided by 2. 2 1 2. 9 3 15. It will again divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 3 are 9. 3 1 are 3. 3 5 are 15. Now it will divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 1 3. It is not divided by 3. Now it will be divided by 5. 5 1 are 5. 1 1. 5 1 are 5. So LCM of these numbers is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. And 3 5 are 15. 15 2 are 30. And 2 2 are 4. 4 3 are 12. And 12 3 are 360. There is the 360. Now students, there are the 360 minutes. They toll together. They toll together after 360 minutes. At what time? We have to find the time here. So, in 360 minutes, 3 p.m. plus 360 minutes. What is the hours here? That is 3 p.m. How to find the hours here? It will be divided by 60. Now, there are 60 divided by 360 divided by 60. 606, 60 are 36 and hours here. Is this clear, students? Now, there 3 p.m. plus 6 hours is equals to 6 plus 3, 9 p.m. Is this clear, students? Now, at 9 p.m. they toll together. Is this clear? This will be the method to find here we write it as this is 360 divided by 60, 6 6 is 36 and this is equal to 6 hours. And then in 6 hours After 6 hours, what will be the time here? 90. We directly write it. Don't write it as well, or write down. You can easily understand this question. Okay, students, it will get. I hope you will understand this question and review this video and try to understand again this question. So, students, now we will do here the worksheet 7. Let's see there. Okay, students, you will do this exercise in fair notebook. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day. Thank you.